Greetings and welcome to ArtsEnvoy.ai. If you found yourself here, it means you likely identify as either an artist or an advocate or possibly both, but you're interested in exploring how creative AI can help amplify your interest in the arts, creativity, storytelling, artivism, and so much more for people, the planet, and future generations. My name is Lisa Russell, aka the Arts Envoy, and I am an Emmy award-winning filmmaker with 20 years of experience working as a contracted filmmaker and arts curator for the United Nations and the larger international community. And I'm super excited to introduce to you my new AI art and storytelling platform called ArtsEnvoy.ai, which is been in the works for over a year, which is going to not only allow you to use AI to generate, typical ChatGPT or DALL-E images, etc., but to take you from idea generation of creating a roadmap for an art project or an art event, aligning with one of the UN social holidays like International Women's Day or Earth Day, all the way to generating illustrations, photographs, films, musical lyrics, music, poetry, so much more. And then not only doing that, but helping to package it and then promote it in a way that will get you seen on global stages by aligning it again with UN social holidays, with opportunities in international conferences, and so much more. I cannot wait to officially share this with you because your mind is going to explode with creativity. When I tell you that you can take the Pact for the Future, for example, feed it into this platform, generate an artistic interpretation of it in less than a minute, and then feed that into a poetry generating app, it is remarkable, if I do say so myself. So I hope you join me. I also just wanted to share that I know there's a lot of people who follow me that are based, I'm here in Mombasa, Kenya, they're based in East Africa or other countries from the global south. I have developed what's called a buddy system, which means that anytime somebody pays for a registration for the platform, for the bootcamp, etc., I am embedding in that a buddy ticket, which means that I'm going to help connect the student with the buddy so that you guys can learn together, and also I can make it accessible and affordable to artists and advocates from the global south. I cannot wait to launch this January 25th and 26th. Please sign up. It's going to be remarkable and can't wait to see you. Let's create a better world together. Thank you.